Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your email archive in Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the archive folder in your Microsoft Outlook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you have to look for evidence or data or some sort of conversation in an archived email. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook inbox. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the inbox. Now, in order to find your archive folder, what you're going to do is look over here on the left, and you want to look for this thing that looks kind of like a little file box, and it says archive. Click on there. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the emails that you may have archived. So you can go ahead and just click on the email, and you can view its contents. Now, if you accidentally added this into archive, you can right click on it. Once you right click on it, you can go ahead and permanently delete it here. Or if you need to restore it, you can go ahead and click right here, move, and then just move it over to your inbox. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your archived emails in your Microsoft Outlook account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.